What's up, y'all? We back at it. About to go fly to Gainesville real quick. We in Keystone. I got everything pre-flighted. About to jump in this old thing and get to it. I don't got my shoes today, so I'm hoping that I don't got no issues with my boots. But we're gonna get this thing going. Ooh. Get my headphones and stuff plugged up here in a second, and we're gonna go fly. So let's do it. Power's fine. Power is good right where we are. Good. We're looking for our one flight, one fast.
I like the speed, Brian. I like the speed.
Yeah. This looks right, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah. And then we're going to get that red light comes in. We're going to give it a little power.
Watch your speed. A little slow here. Yeah.
My ears are adjusting, but we're gonna go do this debrief and get this thing back tied down. But feeling even more confident and a lot better today. What's up, guys? We is making a chemical drop off. About to show y'all what chemicals we dropping off for my boy. Well, I call him Stookie, but it's Norman over here at So Clean. I'm gonna show y'all we got this the correction action foam. It's the foam cannon soap. We got the Total Clarity. We got a new formula for the Total Clarity and the Restart Interior Cleaner. We got a Restart and Restore Interior Cleaner. Dirty Magic Wheel Cleaner. Second Amendment Wheel Cleaner. Golden Gloss Tire Shine. Restore is going to be something for the interior. And your black mats and the Florida Orange Speed Wax. So y'all stay tuned with Winning Edge Carwash. Got my boy. What's up? Good? Yeah. I'm going to show you what we got. So this right here, the foam cannon. So I just put the Florida Orange Speed Wax or whatever. It's just like you try it out on the vehicle, see if you like it. So I only put like 32 ounces in because I got to give it to a lot of people.
Right.
But just tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, or if you want to try it again, I'll bring some more.
Okay.
This right here, just put 2 ounces in the foam cannon.
Okay.
That's the Total Clarity that you got, but I put some. It's a different stuff to like you know the smoker glass or whatever. It'd be like really oily.
Uh-huh.
You didn't know that.
Okay.
That
Right.
kick it. That's the interior cleaner. So it's ready to use. This interior cleaner, it's got stuff in it to like leave a little shine behind.
Okay.
So just try it, see if you like it.
Leave like a semi-gloss or whatever.
Yeah,
okay.
or matte, you know what I'm saying, finish.
Like
because you know how like
finish,
you clean it, it still be looking
you don't
dry.
want it real shiny and oily, but like you said, you wanted to have like a matte finish, that way it looks clean and looks.
But if
got
you
a new look, it don't look dry.
Yeah,
right.
if you use that, you got to use it on the whole car.
Okay.
Because it's gonna leave
Then
one
you'll
part.
see the difference, right?
You'll see the difference. The wheel cleaner, you can fill that whole bottle up and use it 3-to-1.
Okay.
Or you could do half and half water to make it stronger. Or you can try how it is right now. Okay. The Second Amendment wheel cleaner is acidic, so you can spray it on. It's like acid, but it's better.
But you want to get it off right then.
Yeah. That's a tire shine. So that right there, you can pretty much spray it on and leave it. It's gonna be like the best that I think. You know what I'm saying? It's spray good. You ain't gotta do nothing to it, but just let me know what you think about it. This right here, now that is if you want to shine the inside up and make it look good, like brand new, restore it. Try that out, and then that's a speed wax. So.
Appreciate it. I'll give you the feedback.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, the other two that which called Total Clarity and what's the other one we got in the soap? I think it's just soap. Maybe. The one that you had dropped it off to.
I just did the degreasing.
Yeah.
So whenever you need some more, just let me know.
All right.
All right. Good to go. Yep. Thank you.